It's a 1982 359. Originally was an old West Texas oil field truck, beat up. Bought it in 2012, sat around. I knew I wanted a green 359, and I knew the name Dollar Bill. I just wanted it to be like that. My shop's based out of Camden, Arkansas, with Scruggs Timberland Services. We do heavy land clearing work with big dozers. Grew up around it, hauling logs. Just was a little fella. Grew up in the logging business. Dad had trucks, and rode home in a brand new 359, and when I was 7 years old, 83 miles, sir. Anyway, I was hooked. We didn't start this rebuild till about 23. Tore it down, done the framework first, and knew the wheelbase we wanted. Got all that settled, and then engine, and kind of went on from there. Originally was going to be green and black, but I didn't like it after I put the colors together, so it's a green and off-white and gold. I put the colors together, and what I had in my mind just didn't look. I just didn't like it, so that's why I went with the off-white. I knew I wanted the gold metal flake, breaker stripe. So anyway, it just looked better. Kind of looked like money, looked like a dollar bill. So we've done everything in-house, pretty much, except the interior. Had bought it from another company, and we put it in. The interior, that was a wood grain veneer. Did that. Original dash shell is still original to the truck. Okay. But the door panels, headliner, all that's the Fat Boy kit stuff, all that's from Truck Guts and Joplin. Was real pleased with the fit and finish of it. But yeah, all the paint and body work done myself. Because I had to learn to work on it or go broke. I paid to have a little bit done, but not a lot. Still, I just trust my own work, and I've got a good guy that works for me. It's really, really sharp. I trust him with a lot of help too. It was rough. The hood had gotten into the cowl. The body mounts were busted. We had to just take the cab off, and fix all that. New skins on the top, of course, new fenders. The side skins are original on the hood. The grill, I'm one of them original type people. If it can be salvaged, I'm going to try to keep it the original DNA of what it was, And so I've tried to keep as much of it as I could. Like I say, we just worked the frame over first. It was pretty good shape. Wasn't real rusty or nothing like that. So it had good bones to work with. It's fought like a grizzly bear. There's so many things. It's like you'd make 2 steps forward and then 1 step back. The engine was a pretty good challenge. Making the newer style electronic, the ECM, getting all that to work in something it wasn't designed to, But once it is, now it's nice. It really is nice to drive and all that. So still got the old look, but got the new feel, which we didn't work on it nonstop, just in our off season, wintertime, summertime, I have to go to work, pay the bills, Was a 3408, 5 and a 4. Now it's a C18 cat, 18 speed, heavy haul, double frame, 46,000 pound rears, 390s. My other trucks, they've got aluminum fenders, and I've tore up so many. I knew going into this, I wanted something a little more robust, and I found the bed. It was only a 2-axle bed, and we had to stretch it and add another for the pusher axle. That required a good bit of work. It'd probably been about as easy to back up and build it from scratch, but those fenders will hold up, for what we do. We do a lot of off-road stuff like that.